Last one for me, Willie Do, and I'm in a rush. I'm dead. I got playoff hockey. I got the championship game tonight. I got to get out of here. They're going to kill me.
Okay.
But this last one is too good. It's too much fun, so we got to get it out there. It's a YouTube video. Man tries to pay bus fare using mobile phone. Oh, that doesn't sound too bad, does it? You're going to love this, Will. This is right up your alley. Look at that.
This one?
Yeah, click on that one, okay? So this dude is all about the mobile payments. He dropped his entire phone into...
Still wearing headphones.
Into the cash module there. Look at this. Boom. With the headphones still connected, it goes all the way down into the bus where the cash collection takes place. He somehow thought it was going to get scanned in there to pay for his bus trip. It's incredible. It's unbelievable.
I like how the driver's just like, hey, don't do that.
Yeah, no, he didn't. He's like on the other side. He's like, no. See, he has holding his hand out when he did it as he's trying to look forward. And this guy just drops his phone right now. How did he think that was going to work out as he dropped it down there?
The guy's like, oh no, where's my phone?
What did he think?
Where'd it go?
What, he thought that it was going to pop out the other side and just get scanned or something? Let's see what after he lets go, his headphones tug and then nothing. So the crazy part is he couldn't actually even get his phone back because it goes into this secure area underneath where all the cash goes. And so he didn't get his phone back until the next day because he so badly wanted to make the mobile payment. And the thing about this story, Will, I don't know where it took place. Did it take place in China? I think so, right? I think it took place in China. Now, I've been to China. Everything is mobile payments. People not a lot of cash exchange. It's all WeChat. And this goes to show you how a cash payment could be so foreign to a person who's living strictly off of mobile payments, so much so that without thinking, they slide their phone into a cash compartment on a bus because they're like, what do you mean I can't tap my phone? You see, that's the future right there, is you got to do away with the cash thing altogether. Otherwise, people are going to be chucking their phone in there. That's the only way I know how to pay for something. What are you talking about? I can't. Who's got cash? Yeah. The future is now. This guy is proof. Mobile payments. It ain't going to be cash. Ladies and gentlemen, don't drop your phone into the bus payment coin slot. It's a coin slot. That's really what it is. He's playing around there. Oh, he's trying to fish it up for a bit because the headphones are still connected, but it ain't going to work. You're not going to get it back up. And at this point here, he realizes what he's done, and he's upset. And he's like, do I let the headphones go at this point? Should I send the headphones down there too? Or do I try to yank the headphones out of the headphone connector? The drama is really incredible. And you got to appreciate the bus driver who's really trying to help him out.
Yeah.
You know, the funny thing is, I think it took mobile payments anyways. I think what the bus driver was trying to do was point to the section he needed to tap. Yeah, look at where it circles in yellow. He just misinterpreted what the bus driver was pointing at. What a time to be alive, Willie Do. I mean, you got to admit it. Dropping your phone in the coin slot. Never thought I'd see the day.
Pretty wholesome.
All right, that's it. That's a wrap. I got to go play hockey. Got to go win this championship. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Good luck.